HIKOCO.
Hi beauties! Hi beauties! We are Chatty Sisters! Thanks to all your love and support, we've finally opened our YouTube channel! This series will be talking about a lot of our skincare products, as well as we'll be inviting all of our staff members to come one by one and talk about their skincare routine, as well as answer some of our beauties questions as well.
Right.
So what is the Chatty Sisters? So what is the Chatty Sisters? It is a... I can't do it.
So Chatty Sisters about not only about K-beauties, we're doing like K-food impression or K-pop music, or we can talk about like Oakland gossips or what we are doing in HIKOCO. We can talk anything about
basically.
Yeah. Today we have Zoey. Ta-da!
Hi, I'm Zoey and I've been a HIKOCO staff member for more than half a year. I started working here because I was a regular customer.
Yeah.
Very regular.
Very regular.
Yeah. So today we'll be talking about the 8 steps that Korean people are very raging on about.
If you haven't been to our New Market store or any Silver Park store, maybe just go to the link to check out. So you can do like a virtual experiences shopping at HIKOCO. So we do have like a big signage that comes with like first step to the last step, so you can see what they are. Because like people said, Korean people got really good genes. That's why they've got like a glow, like glass looking skins. But that's actually not true. They are putting a lot of efforts on their outfits, especially their skin, I guess. Because my mom and dad, they're actually living in Korea. They're about like 60 or 62 and they're still doing a lot of skincare. Even my dad's got like 5 different steps every day and night time, and he's applying a heaps of sunscreen even in the winter. So they're really caring about their outfits. I think that brings all the ideas of like 8 skincare steps, I guess. Yeah.
So what 8 steps do we actually really need to be using?
So in Kbeauty, we recommend 8 steps. The first one being oil cleansing, water cleansing, exfoliating, toner, special treatment, moisturizer, mask, and then sunscreen.
Do we really need all of them?
We don't really need
Not
all of
really.
them. Yeah, you can.
But I always recommend people to start with cleanser, like anything, but I normally recommend them to try the water-based cleanser, toner and moisturizer and sunscreen, and then after that they can find something that works for them, and then they can head on.
It's actually really nice to have a lot of steps. It's like therapeutic.
Yeah,
To do it.
that's right, and you can see the difference within a short time of using that kind of steps.
Should we start sharing what we're using?
Yeah.
Mine's a bit embarrassing. I actually don't use the 8 steps that we really recommend. It's alright. Okay, so we've got the cleanser here. Is that it?
Still counting in my head.
What else? Okay.
Pretty much it. My skin type is actually sensitive, plus dry. I don't really like having much stuff on my face, so that kind of tells you why I don't have much of our products that we have. But if I was to introduce what I'm using, I'm actually using the Heimish Green Foam Cleanser with a pH level of 5.5. This is really good for those who have sensitive skin. It's got centella products in there, which is really good for like acne prone skin as well. This toner pad from Cosrx also has green tea water in there, which really helps with calming my skin, like the redness as well. The Soonjung is basically made out of water. So I'm actually kind of finished using this already. I'm on my 3rd bottle of this one.
Did you drink it?
The reason why I like this one is it's really moisturizing. It is also really good if I need to boost up my moisture before I put my makeup on, which is the best toner. I'm using one of the serums from Nacific. So this one's really good for tightening up pores. I don't know why, I've got sensitive skin, but I do seem to have big pores. So this is a serum I really like. It also does have vitamin C products, which does help brighten up my complexion. And last but not least, if you don't have this one,
no Kbeauty.
no Kbeauty. This is the lip sleeping mask from Laneige. It's really good for those who don't really like wearing anything during the day, like lipstick or like chapstick or anything like that. I personally don't like those. This one's just easy to apply at night, and then once you wake up, boom, bam. This is it. This is actually what
No cream, no moisturizer.
No moisturizer,
Oh
no
my
nothing,
god.
no greasy.
Sunscreen. Oh my.
I would say this one.
Yeah.
It's really, really good for those who really react to using something like anything. This one, the main ingredients is just water. pHA balancing is really important for those who have sensitive skin as well. I really do recommend this one.
Because some of the customers are asking me about like 7 steps of toning. So we call it 7 steps skin, which means that's 7 steps of toning. So you can just apply like 7 different layers. It's because it's really light in texture that actually gets into your skin fast.
Yeah, so that's actually really what I do. I use the Pyunkang cotton pads, the really thin ones, and then I like kind of soak them up with this one, and then I just put it onto the spot where I need a bit more moisture before my makeup. This is actually, that's actually kind of why I've used 3 bottles.
Slightly heavier than cakes, I can tell. We have oil cleanser. And lip gloss.
Okay.
My skin type is combination oily. I forgot to bring my sunscreen, so basically I have 7 steps. First off, I start with the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Oil Cleanser in Rich. This one actually really helps to remove all my makeup before gel cleansing, and it gives me like a brighter look, so that's actually really good, and I use it in the mornings as well. Yeah, because I feel like when you go to sleep, this like all this like dust settles on your face, so this will help to remove
Because
it.
you got an oily to combination, that's why actually not many people know about that one, but the thing is the oil removes the oil.
So people think like, I'm oily skin, and if I use this one, it will be more oily.
Yeah, that's what the
case. And this also really helps with blackheads. I think it cleans out my pores really well. And then I go on to using the Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. This one is actually really good. It contains a small amount of BHA in it and tea tree as well. Yeah, this is really good to just maintain your skin's pH level. This has a pH level of 5.5.
So it's quite similar.
Yeah, similar, but that doesn't contain any BHA. That comes with a little bit of BHA, so that can be used anyone who's got the allergic to BHA. So what's next?
Yeah, so I use the Pyunkang Essence Toner. This is a combination between an essence and a toner, so it's not as watery in texture as like normal toners. Yeah, even though I have oily skin, this is really good for me because it absorbs really well into the skin and it makes your skin feel really soft as well. And then I use the Benton Snail Bee High Content Essence. I really like Snail, as you can see. This contains snail mucin extract and bee venom as well. This may sound scary to some people, but don't worry, it really helps with like your skin texture and gives me a nice glow, I feel like. Yeah. And then I follow up with the Benton Snail Bee High Content Steam Cream. This is a really good moisturizer. It's really light in texture and a little bit goes a really long way. It contains hyaluronic acid, which is really hydrating, and
it's good for anti-aging too. Because I normally recommend this product to the male customers. Some of the male customer doesn't like to use too much steps, so it's kind of like really good to go for like 1-step skincare routines.
So if they just want to use one
Yeah, if they're not using any toners, anything, maybe they can just go with this one, because this one is really light in texture and it's a tube type, so you can like, easy to go. So it's good for males.
And then
do you have this one?
Yes, I have the same one, but grapefruit flavor.
Right.
Yeah. So it's basically the same as what Kate explained. Yeah, I just put this on before I go to sleep because I have really dry lips, especially like during all seasons. I just have really dry lips, so this helps me have really nice plump lips for the next day. I probably recommend the Pyunkang Essence Toner. I just feel like this is really effective and well absorbing. Yeah, and
it's really hydrating, right?
Really hydrating, and it lasts a super long time. So yeah.
Okay,
Bring it on.
Share it on.
Oh my
Right, I think I brought too much. I'm gonna do like really quick intro of my daily skincare routines. So basically I do have two different skincare routines for day and nighttime. So daytime I try to keep it really simple, and nighttime I do like a really intense care. So once I get up and I just wash my face with water, and that's it. And I don't use a towel to dry out. It's because the towels, even if it's really super clean, that's still got some bacteria on it, and that's actually scratch my skin texture.
I don't use a towel.
So I just leave all the excess. I just leave all the excess water on my face and just keep pat it down until get it absorbed. And then I do my skincare routine. My first step is One Step Moisture Pads by Cosrx. I used to use this one, which is the green calming one, and I recently chose this one. That's because my skin gets really dry these days as the season changed. It's maintaining my skin to be hydrated for a long time and exfoliating it once, so it's really gentle pad. I'm using this, the Nacific one. So this is Green Pear plus Klairs Serum. So it's mainly for calming and soothing, because I got a lot of sunburn during the summertime. I got a lot of wrinkles on my skin, and I got rednesses at the same time. So I'm using a lot of calming, soothing products. So this one is really helpful for rednesses, and it's like really hydrating. So and that comes with a lot of centella extract. So these days Korean product got like a lot of centella. I think they pick all the centellas over the brand. But this one I highly recommend people who's got rednesses, sensitive skin. I think it's gonna be really helpful for someone who's got acne scarring too.
I should actually change mine.
And then I do moisturizer. I'm using this one. So this one is a good old green tangerine Vita C cream. They do have like another version which is intensive version, and this one is light version. So it's really good to go during the day. It doesn't actually smudge makeup, or it's not really greasy at all. It quickly absorbs into your skin. So I highly recommend you to try if you've got like a dull skin tones. If someone's looking for a really gentle version of a brightening cream, you can give it a try with this one. So, and then I use sunscreen. That's like must-go step. I'm using All Clean Balm as my makeup remover. So you have to melt it down to your skin to melt down all the makeups and rinse it up with water. And that comes with a spatula inside. It's really easy to use. So that's my favorite item.
One of our best sellers.
True. So I'm using this one as my makeup remover and oil cleanser. And after that, I'm using this one, which is, I'm sorry about the bottle. By Wishtrend Green Tea and Enzyme Powder Wash. So it's like a powder type. It's not cocaine or anything. It's like a powder. It's a green tea powder.
Do you use that amount?
So I put a bit of water and do like scrubbing and like washing at the same time. Because I used to use a lot of like foam cleansers or gel cleansers, but it's a little too dry on my skin. And after that, I'm using the same pads, but I'm not exfoliating. And this one is my favorite item, which is a Pyunkang mist toner. So it's really easy to go. That's like a good pairing, right? So you can just spray straight after you're using this pad, so you just give more water to your skin. You just spray hips. And then I use this one, which is a Klairs vitamin C drop. The reason why I'm not using it in the morning is I have to do like extra care on my skin. That's because after using vitamin C, you have to do proper sun care. So I'm just using it at night time. I'm using this one. I recently get a recommendation from my colleagues. This one is super good. So good. You should try, Kate. It's like really helpful for the dry sensitive skin. So this one says Balancium, but it's mainly for ceramiding cream. So it's maintain your skin to be hydrating and protect your skin barrier to be firm, so you won't get any damage by environment. And I think this one is super good. So you don't have to apply too much, like a really little amount will do. The last one will be the lip sleeping mask. I do have one, but that's a grapefruit flavor. Yeah, we do. Yeah.
If all three of us have it, it means it's a must-have.
Yeah, I think so. And you guys might think that I don't have eye cream. It's because I feel like I'm not too... No, that's joking. I used to use a lot of different eye creams, but these days I'm using this one, which is eye patch. I'm sorry, that's the old version, but this is like eye patch. It's like more intensive care for your fine lines around your eye area or mouth area. So I'm just doing it like 3 times a week. So this one looked like this. So this had like gel type patches. That actually comes with the spoon, but I lost it. So it looked like this. So that goes around your eye area, and you leave it on about 20 minutes. So I do this one first, and then do another mask on top of it, and I just like that for 20 minutes. All my routines for day and night. I'm sorry it took so long. Right.
It actually kind of shows our personality as well.
I think so. Yeah, I think so.
We've got these beautiful ladies just caring for this. I've actually learned a lot from other products that you guys are using. So today we had a look at our skincare routines. Each and every one of us have different skincare routines, obviously.
Right. You don't have to keep all the 8 steps or 10 steps of your skincare routines. It's totally depending on your skin types and your skin condition. So that's my personal and that's her personal routine, so you don't have to follow.
It took me a while to figure out what products I need and what works for me. So definitely just take your time to experiment and try out new things.
Definitely come to HIKOCO at Newmarket or at Sylvia Park, so our lovely staff can assist you on what type is best for your skin. Thank you for watching this video. Next week we will be coming back with a new video, and thank you Zoe for coming in and sharing your lovely skincare routine.
Thanks for having me.
If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave it in the comments down below. It would really mean a lot if you could help us grow our channel.
And if you like this video, please like us and subscribe us and stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Bye beauties, let's be pretty.